This is my weekly market recap of every trade I went through, every trade I should have taken, maybe the trade I didn't take. I'm gonna mark it down. The process of the trade, the outcomes, the emotions part of the trade, right? What were the journaling? Basically a journal of the week, right? What trade that we took. So on Monday, New York session, Monday, London session, we never had a setup. Market set the liquidity, then went right back down. Really, no setup, as I said, right? So here, I had a normal setup, but I'm looking for a high quality setup, so I never took a setup that on London, New York session. On Tuesday, London session, no setup, market just ripped up. So on Tuesday, New York session, I was looking for buys, never just saw it, and I saw a huge dump, and I got a high quality setup here, right? But you gotta think about it, not every setup is a setup. Look at the market after a big dump. Will the market recover, right? So the first 15 minutes of the market of the huge dump, right? The first 15 minutes, the market did not recover, right? So this huge dump, right? This right here we don't care about. We care about the next 15 minutes. If this 15 minutes did not recover this dump right here, that means the market is not gonna continue and possibly wait later on then push. But our bot was correct. But we did have a high quality setup. I did not take the trade, and if I would have taken it, it would have been a loss. But sometimes we're gonna use our game plan, we're gonna use our head, right? You know what I'm saying? Market did a huge dump, and the last 15-minute candle did not recover that huge dump. Because usually when the market dumps, when it does a huge dump, that means if it's bullish, the market will definitely recover right back the next 15 minutes, right? And this one didn't. So okay, that is not gonna go up. Even I knew it's not gonna go up, but even if I took it, it would have been a loss, right? But that time would have been a loss if I would have taken it. On Wednesday, no session, no setup, market just, you know what I'm saying, fool around. And New York session, no setup, market as well. I think over here, did I have a setup on this trade on this day? I'm not sure that if I had a setup on this day. Boom, no setup over here. I think no high quality setup, but over here no setup, because over here you can see this Ali order block. I did take a demo trade, as you can see my live stream. I was like, yo, I placed a news trade for ourselves. You can see the market dumped and it pumped right back up, but the overall drawn liquidity was bearish because the sweeps don't really, for the sweeps of liquidity, the 4-hour candle had to close for the drawn liquidity to change. But for, you know what I'm saying, for fair value gaps, they're automatic because they're, to me, they're way stronger than a normal, right? On this day, I did on Friday, I did have a setup here, hourly order block, right? What's an hourly order block? I would have definitely kind of stopped out, but when I'm looking now, when I'm trading, I'm now implementing the 15-minute, you know, say 15-minute confluence has to be during the, you know, saying during the session. So you have to be from that session I am, right? So there was actually no building blocks, so I wouldn't have used it. I would have used any of these. Had a setup right here, but you never gave me the execution entry. Market just ripped up, so I was like, okay, that's a way to get out. But this day right here on Friday on New York session, I did have a setup, A plus setup. It was a 1-to-1 RR, right? It did hit TP. You can see the 15-minute time frame drawn. The 15-minute time frame rule of my trading told me to get out. I did not get out. Then eventually the market the news came out. Market did a huge rip up and made me, instead of losing break even, it made me lose $67, right? Which is cool. I don't care about the money, right? I care about what did I do wrong, right? On this trade, I did not get out because my 15-minute fair value, my 15-minute take profit rule told me to get out. So I broke a rule on this day. So because of greed, you know what I'm saying? Because I need a recovery, right? So that right there messed me up. But I'm very confident now because, yo, my setup delivered. Just that I messed up on the greed part. I just got literally greedy. Plus with that, I did not follow my rule. So from this week, I learned something. I even backtest my 15-minute fair value, 15-minute take profit rule every time when it goes against me. When it goes, hits a TP, it goes below it or above it, goes below it, you'll definitely reverse, because I backtested so much, right? You can see right here, I backtested the whole thing. I backtested it as well, that if it closes below the TP or above the TP, on this part, it would be above the TP, right? Because I'm bearish. It will reverse against me. As you can see, it reversed against me. That was the news, right? But the news definitely that reversed beforehand, right? You can see the bullish candle reversed against me. Other than that, I backtested that. Now I'm confident that this rule I have to definitely fucking follow. It was the easiest rule just to get out, right? And other than that, now when I do my take profit, when I enter here, my take profit to 1 to my first take so my start from here, my entry to my TP1 is 1 RR, right? So now from now on, instead of looking at the money part, I'm gonna look at the RR part. So I'll put that's a 1 RR. This right here is a 2.5 RR. So I will go right here and put a 2.5 RR, right? Instead of looking at the money part, right? 2.5 RR. That's this right here, to me personally, stops me from becoming greedy. So this is all I'm gonna do, implement from now on. Use RR. So I want to put my take profit to my entry, put RR in it, and yeah, all to the final TP, which is I think like 4 RR. Right. Other than that, is this is a beautiful trade. I love the trade went my way. Just the greed part got in the way. So this is what I'm gonna do to avoid the greed. Right. Put the RR part. But yeah, there's my weekly market recap. Pretty nice from me personally. Learned something today. Learned something this week. Very happy. Instead of losing like a lot, I lost $67, which is great. But yeah, let's do a bigger recovery, and hopefully, yeah, keep on taking high quality setup. I'm very confident in high quality setups now, and yeah, let's take it. Peace out.